been interested in organic living since I was a little girl. Nowadays, almost all the food we buy in the supermarket contains preservatives and chemical additives. It is very difficult to find organic vegetables or fruits. Chemicals are used even in seeds grown from the soil, so I try to make all my own food as much as possible. Today, I will try to make mulberry molasses. In the village where I live, there is a mulberry tree that has no owner. If I can collect enough mulberries, I will have a very good molasses. Especially mulberry molasses, which can meet the daily calcium, iron, potassium, and magnesium needs, is a healthy food source that is good for anemia, reduces the effects of colds, energizes, strengthens the liver, and balances blood circulation. It is not very difficult to make. It is very difficult to find organic ones. I prefer the ripe ones when choosing mulberries. On my way here, I found a sturdy lemon that had fallen from a lemon tree. I will need it when I make molasses. I'm going to soak the mulberries in sugar for a while and then I'll start boiling them. But first I have something else to do. I will go to the riverside, which is close to here, where I like to spend a lot of time. And then I will visit the village center.
Push me out
My molasses is ready. I'm going to put it in a jar, close it tightly, can it and let it cool down. I'm very curious about the taste.